Okay, I got a little Bluebeam blueprint here. I'm taking electrical takeoffs of it. The quickest and easiest way if you don't have a large format printer is to use these. These I'm calling just blips, which are just the round dots with a little bit of darkness to them. I pull up the properties here, and we have opacity of 70. These aren't 100%. These are just placeholders to show me what receptacles I have already counted and what wires go to them. So over here, I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to get my poly length tool. And I'm going to click. Here's one circuit, here's two circuits, and here's three circuits. So I'm gonna just put a line next to them, and then we're gonna follow this wall up. And I already know where my panel is from a different board, and I'm just gonna double click right there, and this is where this panel is going. It's telling us right here, LPO2. My LPO2 panel is right here from another screen, and I'll show you in a different video how I did that. But anyways, so we're gonna go over here and go to my toolbox and get my little blip. You can name it whatever you want. This is just a technique. And I'm gonna cover up the receptacles from the circuits that I've provided wiring for. Boom, boom, boom. Don't have to be perfect, just as long as you know. And then right click, and then you just keep going. So the next one, I'm going to come over here, click here. There's one circuit, there's two circuits, and here's three circuits. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to drop these off too. And if I really wanted to, I could go all the way down for each one of these circuits. But see, it's 56 feet here. So it's easier just to add them at the end. And then the blip, boop, 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 boop. And just like that, we've got nearly nearly all in this giant room taken off already. We can go over here and resume our poly length measurement, and we'll just go ahead. We can follow this down rather than leave loose ends. Boom, boom, double click. We'll go over here to this other one. Boom. We're looking for a gold dot to appear. There it goes. Boom. Get rid of all this. There it is. Resume poly length. Alright. So that is going to be down here in our poly length measurements, 160 feet. And then we just keep going. And that's simply the simplest and easiest way to take off on screen with a large format printer. You all have a good day. Subscribe.